Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. From what we have here, we can multiply this x times x, same thing as x squared, over 4 times 4. Also, we can write it as 4 squared. Then equals to, same thing here, we have 4 squared over x squared. The next step here, we cross multiply x squared times x squared here. Then equals to, also here we have 4 squared times 4 squared. The next step here, we also have same thing multiplying a times a equals to a square. That is, here we have x square or square equals to, also here we have 4 square or square. The next step here, we take the right hand side to the left hand side. This becomes x square or square minus 4 square or square, then equals to 0 here. This follows when we have a square minus b square, which is the same thing as a plus b into bracket, open bracket, a minus b. This here, a standing as x square and b standing as 4 square. Then what we have here becomes x square plus 4 squared into brackets, then open bracket, x square minus 4 square close bracket, then equals to 0 here. That is, we have two possible cases here. First one, x square plus 4 square equals to 0, or we have x square minus 4 square equals to 0 here. Then when we solve on this side, this follows when we have a square plus b square, which is the same thing as a plus bi into bracket, then open bracket, a minus bi. And this here, you can write this as x plus 4i into brackets, open bracket, x minus 4i close bracket, then equals to 0 here. And also we have two possible cases, x plus 4i equals to 0, or we have x minus 4i equals to 0 here. And solving here, we have x equals to minus 4i, which is a complex solution here. Then here also we have x equals to 4r, which is also a complex solution here. That is, we have two complex solutions here. Then solving from the second case here, which is x square minus 4 square equals to 0. This follows when we have a square minus b square, which is the same thing as a plus b into brackets, open bracket, a minus b. This here, we can write this as x plus 4 into bracket, open bracket, x minus 4, close bracket, equals to 0 here. That is, here also we have two possible cases, x plus 4 equals to 0, or we have x minus 4 equals to 0 here. Solving here, this gives us x equals to minus 4, which is a real solution here. Here we have x equals to 4, which is also a real solution here. That is, we have two real solutions and also two complex solutions, making 4 solutions together. That is, when we write it out here, we have the first solution, x1, can write that as 4. Second solution, x2 as minus 4, which are two real solutions. And we have x3, 4r, and also x4 minus 4y, which are two complex solutions. So altogether we have 4 solutions here, two real and two complex. Then we can check if this satisfies this given problem. That if we substitute the value of x here, when x equals to 4, this equation becomes 4 over 4 times 4 over 4 is equals to also here 4 over 4 times 4 over 4. 4 over 4, that's 1 times also 1. Is it equals to, this is also 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1 equals to also 1 here. Left hand side now equals to the right hand side. And therefore, x equals to 4 satisfy this given problem. Then also substitute x equals to minus 4 here. This equation becomes minus 4 over 4 times minus 4 over 4 is it equals to 4 over minus 4 times 4 over minus 4. Minus 4 over 4 we can write as minus 1 times also minus 1 is it equals to 4 over minus 4, that's minus 1 as well, times minus 1. Minus times minus turn to plus, 1 times 1, till 1, which is equals to minus 1 times minus 1, also 1. We have left hand side also equals the right hand side. Then x equals to minus 4 satisfy this given problem. And also we substitute x equals to 4i. Then what we have here becomes 4i over 4 times 4i over 4 is it equals to 4 over 4i times 4 over 4i. Here 4 cancel each other, we have I left times also I here. Is it equals to here also 4 cancel each other, we have 1 over I times here also 1 over I times I, you can write it as I square. Is it equals to 1 times 1, 1, I times I, also I square. And here, we should note that I square, same thing as minus 1. That is, here we have minus 1. Is it equals to 1 over minus 1? This is minus 1 equals to 1 over minus 1, also minus 1. Left hand side then equals to the right hand side. That is, x equals to 4i. Satisfy this given problem. Also, we substitute x equals to minus 4i. Then what we have here becomes minus 4i over 4 times minus 4i over 4 is it equals to 4 over minus 4i times 4 over minus 4i. Then minus 4 over 4. These 4 cancel each other, we have minus I times also minus I. Is it equals to here also we have 1 over minus I times 1 over minus I. Minus times minus plus I times I square. Is it equals to here 1 times 1, 1 minus I times minus I square. This here I square is minus 1. Is it equals to 1 over also minus 1? Minus 1 here equals to 1 over minus 1 is also minus 1. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. That is, x equals to minus 4i. Also satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos. Turn on the notification bell. Share this video. Give it a thumbs up and put your comments. And see you next class. Bye for now.